Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
And we're hitting stuff. We're hitting stuff, guys. 7x maximum multipliers, 700. Charge it up, one spot. The hot spot. Oh, what's next for us, huh? Somebody's about to get rich. Ready? Reveal. Sheesh. Up. 21 as the lowest multiplier, 70s, 105s. Look at these weird numbers, 140, 280. Top left. Top left, 700x. You are kidding me. And the double trouble? And the double trouble, bottom right corner. Sure thing, boss. Sure thing. Guys, congratulations to you.
Is now for you, and it is open this time. Whoa, whoa! Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks for the roses. So many roses. Forcing a fireball. Can we get the fireball? Come on, Wheel. Give us that fireball. Come on now. I want that fireball. Hey! Let's go. We got a 4x fireball. Oh, I love fireball with a multi on it. Ooh. Let's go, ladies and gents. 2000X is going to be the maximum multiplier this time and this round. Good luck. What do we got? Is that a 400X by any chance? Let me see it. Hey, let's go, everybody. We got a 400X indeed. Hey, let's go. Very nice. 400X, ladies and gents, for you. 2,219 winners in total for this round. We got a Vicer, Bank, and MS with a top ones. Well done to all of you. Would you like to continue? If not, next one here we go. La. Let's continue. Got a 500X fireball, 400X fireball. What else did we? I think we had something else, no? No, we had switched. Oh, we had 300X monster rush as well. Right. 5 battery charger. That's a leave this time. That's a leave this round. 42. No. 1 is the payout. This time. This round. You love lightning storm. When outside it is thunderstorm and rain. I love it, alright? It is so magical. I love when there is thunderstorm outside. And fireball. Well, I don't know. I think I was a try-hard just now. Fireball. Let's go, we got a fireball. Hey! Let's go. Fireball for you, my friend. A fireball is here, you know. It's a fireball. Let's go. It's a fireball, do you know? 500 is the max. And we are getting... Oh, it is a 500X, I think. Is it? la 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 286 winners. Hey, tonight an MP with the top. Who's betting time, everybody? Good luck to all of you. In the next one, here we go. In the next one, do you know? Oh, do you know? Here we go. Ah, that's why I love Fireball. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So it turns out the wheel likes when I talk about lightning storm. I love Zinters for president.
X Monster, would it be great? Can we get that far? Next door, guys. It's a leap. We feet sound this song. 299 winners now, guys. Helby 29, Erin, Amanda, Okanaka, top winners. New betting time right now is going to be available. Let's continue with the next one now, guys. Good luck with the game. Here's the next spin, ladies and gentlemen. Let's continue right now. There goes the next one right now, ladies and gentlemen. Let's continue with the next game now. Here we go now. Good luck. How long have I been here? For like an hour and 10 minutes, so like 10 to 15 more minutes, and I'm gonna be out of here. 7X battery, looking forward to it. We can get there. Segment 8. 7X battery, guys. Come on, we previously had 100X. This one must be better. Show us that big money. Oh man. 50 on the top, that's 350, the biggest one. 280 on the first space. Come on, 280, baby. Let's get it into the green. Please, not the 35. Don't do it. No game. Yes, thank you. 105, another gold opportunity. All right, it's not there. Skip the 14. Please, not the 14. Game. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yes. Just a couple of silvers remaining. Gotta hit the double. Man, so far just reds. 70X. It's a nice prize, yeah. All right, skip, probably the most important skip right now. Yes, come on, 21's out, so just 49, the worst one remaining. 210X. Woohoo! Let's get it now. Yeah, we're surfing on those multipliers, guys. 935 winners that time. Batteries back with vengeance, as I said, guys. Chinkov, Loopy, well, the top winners. Here goes the next one. Let's do it.
We'll listen total, but in time. I think we could get another fireball if we ask the wheel nicely, you know? Like a redemption fireball. Redemption. Highball. Could we do it? Whee! Good luck. So one more set for another hour and a half. 7X battery charger, ladies and gents. Could we have the 7X battery charger? I think we could. Can we do it actually? Can we do it? Come on, come on, come on. One more. Hey! So, here we go. 7X battery, my friend. Hey! A battery charger. That's a 7X multi for you too. You know. The max multi is 75X all the way up there. So max multi is going to be like 525X. Here we go. All right. Let's get ready for the 35. Let's get ready. It's ready for the 35. All right. Ready. Okay. Ready for 49 as well, yeah? I can't take this adrenaline. How can you? Ladies and gents, oh yes, yeah, come on, 210X, here we go. Ooh, 2,861 wins right there, congrats. I bet you with a €4,200 win, well done too. Monster Mash. We have a 1, an 8, it's a 9. A 4, it's a 13x this time, this round for you to you, my friend. Do you know? Stay with me, Tom Odell song. Which one? 2500X. The won't you stay with me? Cause I'm all I need. I will die, Michael. Wait, why? You will what? Don't die. It's not gonna. Then you will live or what? I'm lost. Is that like farewell from Zlatan? Monster Mash, ladies and gents, for you again.
It's the Monster Mash.
It's another Monster Mash for you, another monster. The Monster Mash. 350. Look at that, we get 212X right there, ladies and gents, for hey you. La 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 la. 2,717 winners in total. We'll get Fabiano Ferry 91 with the top wins. Well done, all of you. Bets are open for you. To you, for you. Here we go. Everybody, let's do this. Everybody, here we go. You know. Everybody, do you know? And now, ladies and gentlemen, in this row, everybody, here we go. Everybody, do you know? Alright, we get 2x battery, 5x on the Monster Mash there, and 2x on a Fireball, ladies and gentlemen. Could we get that Monster Mash? That'd be pretty cool. Hey, let's go, my friend. We got a 5x Monster Mash for you. Whoa.
It's the Monster Mash.
Yeah. Beautiful 5x on top of it, you know what I'm saying? See the mash. The Monster Mash. He did the mash. He did the what? Man. 2250, 30, 300X, ladies and gentlemen, for you. Oh yeah, very nice. 1,918 winners. Yes, sir. Empty in a bang with the top wins. Hey, Senators for president, right? Good luck in the next round, ladies and gents. Let's have some more fun. Imagine if on the top there would have been a golden multiplier. Sorry. Like, no, I have to tease you every now and then, you know. I have to. Not like I have to, but it's like, you know how it is. That's I leave this time, my friend, for you two once a month.
Naturally, because that's been the game that I've been playing the most. Actually, considering buying the next Battle Pass, honestly. The previous Battle Pass was a joke. Yeah. The only people who were spending money on that were probably Katarina mains, because honestly, let's be real here, that Katarina skin is pretty dope. Looks pretty cool. I've seen it in the game as well. It is good. It's actually pretty good value. Considering that it's a skin for, you get also a bunch of skins for 20 bucks. Not a bad deal technically, but yeah, the whole battle pass was just a little too bare bones. Next battle pass is gonna be way better, including for free-to-play players. Get a bunch of big hextech chests now. You don't main the bonus games, you main the numbers. And if you were going after number 2, guess what? We're going up. There's storm approaching. Welcome to your lightning storm. I told you it's brewing. It's about to start hitting, by the way, but first things first. You need to pick and choose which strike you think is gonna be the best. 1, 2, 3. Pick and choose, pick and choose. And now it's looking pretty even. Great. What did I miss? Usually number 1s receive no attention at all. Everything's around 30% or something like that. Well, And see if those big, those are the good multis. They'll boost everything on the wall. Then for strike 1, you're getting ×3 the boost to the top of 1200 from a single hit. Well, hopefully it's going to be more. We got 3 segments going to be struck, right? Okay, that's 135 probably, right? Let's see that if it's yeah, that agrees with me. First strike, pretty good start to say the least. 135 times bonus play already. Let's see what strike 2 has to say. We got some pretty good hits there. Yeah, that's 30. Could have been better for sure. Because yeah, there are some bigger ones being hit immediately. Imagine if it was both those 200s. That's right. Cook it! Cook it! Okay. Let the wall cook. Strike 3 rating well tonight, 750. Enjoy, congratulations. Yo. That elevator is crazy fast. 1,320 winners. Enjoy strike 3.
I feel myself as a Tinkerbell. Do you know this little fairy from Peter Pan? Let's put multis on 50x and a hotspot, 15x on a fireball, 20x and a battery charge. Go, please, 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 please. Let's go. Please stay here. Stay. It's a fireball. It's a fireball now, segment 19. With a 10x. Follow me. We pulling a 10x multi here. Good luck. $2,000x is the maximum multiplier for this round. 1,000x! It's 1,000x! I'm trying my best for you. Feel free to place your bets. Auto-play option is always available here through X Chaser, Storm Chaser. You can cover even and odd segments. Good luck. Let's put our multipliers on. Go. 20x and a hotspot, 2x and a lightning storm. Please, 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 let's dance. Na-ni-na-ni-na, oh, na-ni-na-ni-na-ni-na, oh. Ay, na-ni-na-ni-na, oh. Beat, please, yes! Here we go, it's a hotspot with 20x, segment 12. Hotspot. Join me, follow me here, everyone. 20x, hold it there. 2,000x. Highest multi, 2,000x. Let's go. Wait. Let's go. I trust you can do it. Show us the wheel, please. Let's go. Let's go. Let's double it. Highest multi for the round was at 2,000x. Congratulations, D, you get the 1,000x. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Stop, stop. What, ladies and gentlemen? Segment number 9, that's hotspot. That's 25x multiplier. Let's go. Y'all hear that? This is my jam. This is my song. Oh, hello. Welcome back to the hotspot 25x multiplier. Guys, 2,500
proud of it as well, of course. Last seconds left. Ooh, my heart is pounding right now. What do we got? So, starting out 75 is the lowest. That's crazy. We got 250s already, 375s, 500s, 1000Xs, 1250, 2500X right there. Double area. All right, let's spice things up in here, shall we? Very nice. Look at that. Oh, my days. That I did not expect right now. Congratulations, everybody. Great work. Thank you for playing. So, well, that went 25.8 thousand euros. That's insane. 2,865 winners overall. Enjoy. Great work, everybody. New betting time. Let's go again. So, how'd you do? All right, betting time is over. Let's roll again. Good luck, everybody. It's the eye of the tiger. Na, 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 na. I love that song. Okay, guys, we got 3Xs on Fireball Battery Charger Monster Mash, 4X on Battery Charger as well. Wow, what a rush, you know? All right, guys, next up, what do we have? Oh, another hotspot. Well, don't mind if we do that, guys. All right, well, let's go back. Back to reality. Oh, there comes gravity. Welcome back, guys. 100X this time the max. Good luck. Let's go.
Yeah, good luck, everybody. Okay. Mickey said, I think I jinxed it. Yikes, Mickey. Don't be so harsh on yourself, man. Yo! Lightning Storm with a 15x top slot multiplier. Whoa! Let's do this, guys. Huge. Lightning Storm. Everybody, welcome on the roof, and this roof is on fire. 15x top slot lightning storm. So guys, on the top you see 6,000x right there, ladies and gentlemen. This could be huge. Pick your strikes. Yeah, hopefully you're gonna pick the bestest ones. And let's see what we're gonna find here. This is kind of amazing. Okay. So, first lightning strike, everybody, with a multiplier as well. Everything gets multiplied by 2, so 12,000 on the top, ladies and gentlemen. That is huge. Whew. Okay. Wow. Okay. All right, that is 600, 300, 450. So on the first strike, 1,350x, ladies and gents. Second strike, everybody. Come on, give the top one. Give the 6,000x. I really want to see it. Ooh, 300x on the second one, ladies and gents. All right, all the hopes for the third one then. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. And... okay, that's 750 and 300 in the third one, so 1,050 on the third one. So first one was the best one. Congratulations to winners. Let's get back.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor, or money market player to make transactions easier.